Hey, what's up? This is Steve from Stereo Steve's. Today we just finished up a 2005 Mustang GT. What did we do? Let's check it out. We added the ILX F309 from Alpine, Halo, in-dash floating tablet. Added the backup camera. The vision out of the back of this car is not the best. I'm sure Mustang owners can testify to that. There was these buttons right here that you see down here. They were located up here in the vehicle. We removed them from there and relocated them down here so they're all functioning. And then that void that we have this space, so we were able to shift the screen up there, and we got this nice display up in front of you, and it looks really slick in this car. Mustang owners, if it's something you want to do, give us a call, 801-709-1285. We're in Orem, Utah, 243 West, 700 North. I'm Steve, Stereo Steve, and I'm the owner. We look forward to helping you out. Have a wonderful day. Later.